centimeters. CA equals to 2.5 centimeters. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Now EF equals to 4 centimeters. Then perimeter of triangle DEF equals to, see this, in similarity DEF similar to ABC means D corresponds to A, E corresponds to B and F corresponds to C. Always remember in similarity. Therefore, what do we know? BC is 2 and EF is 4 and these two triangles are similar. Therefore, what? AB upon DE will be equal to BC upon EF will be equal to AC upon DF. Right? Now put the values. 3 upon DE equals to 2 upon 4 equals to 2.5 upon DF. So DE and DF we can find out now. DE equals to 4 into 3 upon 2, that is 6, and DF equals to 2 into 2.5, that is 5. Now we got all the sides. Therefore perimeter of triangle DEF equals to 4 plus 6 plus 5, this is 4, right? So it is 15 centimeter. That is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Seeing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.